In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a contract in DocuSign. Imagine having a stack of documents that need swift electronic signatures and speedy delivery. Gone are the days of printing, scanning, and running to the post office. With DocuSign, you can perform these tasks right from the comfort of your home or office with just a few clicks. We will walk through this process together step by step. First things first, open your browser and head over to DocuSign's platform. If you're working on a desktop or a laptop, simply type in the URL or use a bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, you'll see various options, but for our purposes today, focus your attention on the Start button. This is your entry point into preparing your document for signatures. Once you click on Start, you'll be taken to a menu of options. Look for and select the Upload button. This is where the magic happens. It's your gateway to getting your contract from your device into the DocuSign system. Now, to pull up your contract, click on the desktop icon or the designated area where your documents are stored. Navigate to the exact file you want to upload for signing. Select that specific contract from your files and hit upload. You're halfway there. Once your document is uploaded, the next crucial step is defining who needs to sign it. Selecting the name and email configuration ensures that the correct individuals receive your document. Make sure you have the correct email addresses for every signer to avoid delays. After this, tap on Next. When you do that, you'll be guided to the document editing and signature placement interface. Here we get into the fine details, placing the signature fields on the document itself. Look for the Signature option in the menu. This is the tool you'll need to use next. Choosing where to place the signature can be a bit like putting a piece in a jigsaw puzzle. Click on the correct position on the contract where the signature should appear. This allows your recipient to sign right where it's needed without having to guess or move anything on their end. Once everything is positioned correctly, you're ready to send your document. At the top, find the Send button. Clicking it will dispatch your contract, equipped with the necessary spots for signatures, directly to the listed email recipients. And that's it! Your contract is now on its way to being signed digitally. With these steps, you can streamline your workflow and optimize your document handling process. Thank you for watching and happy signing!